If you've noticed that digestion feels different after 40, you're not imagining it. Hormonal shifts, slower gut motility, stress, and years of restrictive dieting all impact how your digestive system functions. What worked in your 20s and 30s often doesn't work anymore. The good news? Your gut is highly responsive when you feed it correctly. Gut healing doesn't start with supplements. It starts with food. Let's begin with the role of hormones. As estrogen fluctuates, the gut becomes more sensitive. This can show up as bloating, constipation, food intolerances, or inflammation. Supporting digestion now requires gentler, smarter food choices. First, cooked foods. Raw salads, smoothies, and cold foods may look healthy, but they can be harder to digest. Cooked vegetables, soups, stews, and warm grains reduce digestive strain and improve nutrient absorption. Second, fermented foods. Foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables introduce beneficial bacteria that support gut balance. Small amounts consistently are more effective than large amounts occasionally. Third, fiber, but the right kind. After 40, fiber tolerance can change. Instead of large amounts of raw fiber, focus on soluble fiber from oats, chia seeds, cooked vegetables, and berries. These feed good gut bacteria without irritating the gut lining. Healthy fats are also essential. Olive oil, avocado, nuts, and seeds reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. Fear of fat often leads to digestive dryness and sluggish bowels. Now let's address common mistakes. Many women undereat protein, skip meals, or rely heavily on snack foods. This destabilizes blood sugar, increases cravings, and worsens gut symptoms. A gut healing plate includes protein, fiber, healthy fats, and warmth. Consistency matters more than perfection. When the gut feels supported, digestion improves, inflammation reduces, and energy stabilizes, without supplements, extremes, or restriction.